Skagen's Jaune Hybrid HR is the latest in the lineup of this interesting category of hybrid smartwatches. Interesting because they are all about merging the smartness of a smartwatch with a traditional timepiece. The Jaune does so by providing an e-ink display in the middle of the dial and a whole lot of sensors and health features underneath it. And today we find out whether it is any good or if it is trying to do too many things at once. The Jaune in terms of design looks great. It is very easy for a hybrid smartwatch with an e-ink display to look bad, but Skagen has merged the grey of the e-ink display with the internal bezels well, and the black dial acts as a contrast and makes the watch look great. The right side of the dial has 3 pushers for navigating through the watch, and from the first side, Skagen has achieved the objective of making the watch look like a normal timepiece. The design is also sealed well enough to give the watch a water resistance rating of up to 380 m. It can survive splashes from rain or while washing hands, but cannot be worn while swimming or showering. The Jaune comes with Fossil's in-house OS instead of Wear OS, which works with both Android and iOS devices. The OS is pretty simple as it does not have much of a UI. The pushers can be assigned to specific operations like opening music controls, the workout screen, or showing the notification screen. The display by default shows the step count, heart rate, and the date and day. If the user wants to change what the pushers do when pressed or what the display shows, it can be figured on the Skagen Hybrid Smartwatches app. The users can also customize the look of the watch. While the controls work well, using the pushers with the e-ink display can feel like a chore, especially because of how slow an e-ink display can be. But when it comes to checking the on-screen data or notifications, the watch is excellent for that. The watch can track the heart rate, step count, sleep, and activity throughout the day. The sleep tracking works well, however, the step count, heart rate can be inaccurate, especially when the user uses the watch to work out. There is a dedicated workout screen on the watch which has 8 different workouts, but due to the reading lacking accuracy, they cannot be trusted enough. When it comes to battery life, the Jaune can last up to 10 days. This is with the periodic heart rate tracking, notifications, and step count enabled. If used for workout tracking as well, it will last for about a week. And the battery charges fast too, going from 0 to 80% in about 50 minutes. While the Skagen Jaune Hybrid HR is great at the standard tasks, we feel it tries to do too much with the fitness features, especially coupled with the fact that navigating through the e-ink display is a bit of a chore. However, if you want a good-looking smartwatch that can show you your notifications, track your sleep, heart rate, and step count while looking very much like a traditional watch, Skagen's Jaune will be great for you. It is currently available at the price of Rs 14,495.